Here's a digital SAT math question from Blue Book Plus. I don't know if this source is always absolutely accurate. The claimed answer is 99.5, I think. 101 divided by 2. But there's all kinds of missing information here. Something's wrong with this question. See, it says figure not drawn to scale. It says A, B, C, and D lie on the circle, and that's all it says. Well, is this a right angle? It doesn't say. Is this an altitude? Are these right angles? It doesn't say. So there's all kinds of assumptions that have to be made with the given information. And there's also a problem here. It says an AB square root 398. What does that mean? Does that mean AB equals square root 398? I don't know. Is AC a diameter? Is this a diameter that goes through the center of the circle? It looks like it, but circle's not drawn to scale, so I can't assume it is. I don't know if it is or not. So there's missing information, but I'm going to solve it as if this is a diameter, and it says a diameter is 201. And then it wants CD over AD equals R, which is, R is the radius. Well, the radius, if it's 201 radius is 201 divided by 2, equals 100.5. I can also, if this is in fact a right angle, that would make that the diameter. And I can notice angle A. Look in the big triangle, I'll outline it in red. Angle A is adjacent, wait a minute, I know this is square root 398. I know that's 201. Angle A in the big triangle is adjacent to 398, which is a side, a leg, the short leg, and there's a hypotenuse. So the cosine of angle A equals square root 398 divided by the hypotenuse of the big triangle 201. In the little triangle, it would be adjacent to the short side equals AD divided by the hypotenuse. I'll do this one in blue, I guess. Short side, hypotenuse of the little triangle. So AD over square root 398. And that is, cross multiply 398. Oh, I'll just leave it divided by 201 equals AD. So now CD, this is 398 over 201. And this is 201 minus 398 over 201. So the ratio of that, I can put that in Desmos. 201 minus 398 over 201, that's CD. To AD is 398 over 201, 100.51. But in SAT, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 characters, 100.5. So again, that comes out to 100.5. But there's missing information because this, without saying if this is a diameter, without saying if that's a right angle, there's no way to solve this thing. There's not enough information given. I mean, the center, if it showed the center here, that would be enough information. But what if the center is over here? What if this is the center? It says not drawn to scale. I can do it that way too. So there's all kinds of weird situations set up here. They say 99.5. I don't know where that comes from. I say for the numbers I used and the assumptions 100.5.